Karthik, and today I am going to show you how to add ASCII art into your terminal, and in the next video I will show you how to make a login system for your terminal. Okay, so first open your browser and search for text to ASCII generator, and you will find this website there. So you can choose any font you like. So my favorite font is Bloody. So just make a file called anything. You can make it as new.sh, but the extension should be .sh. Okay, so I will make it ASCII.sh, and then I write printf p, and then I'll save this. Now I will show you. I will run this file. So now you can see Kali has been printed into my terminal. So now this is looking so boring. So let's add some colors into this. So simply go into Google and search for lolcat GitHub repo and install lolcat. So I'll open ASCII.sh again, and then I will pipe this with lolcat, and then I'll add this and here, and then I'll close this. And now you can see I have added color into my terminal. So we have to paste this. So first let me open this, Ctrl+Alt+C, and then I'll open my terminal and just type what I'm typing. Okay, bash.rc, sorry, bash.rc, nano-rc. So come in the last and just paste what we have copied, and just save this, exit. So now when I'm opening my terminal, so wait, I'll show you my terminal. Okay, so I'll close this all, and now when I open the terminal, so you can see now we have added this beautiful art into our terminal. Okay, so yes, now as I have said, I will show you how to make a login system, okay, for your terminal. So we will make this into next video, so stay tuned. Hello everyone, I am back with my another video. So today we are going to make a login system for our terminal. So as you can see, if in the previous video we have added some ASCII art into our terminal, so now I will make a new file called terminal.sh. okay, so I'm going to use vim editor. So terminal.sh, you can use any editor, it is your wish. So now I'm bringing the insert mode, and I'm going to make a while loop, while true. So while true and do. Okay, so we are going to print echo enter your username. Okay, so enter your username, and then we are going to read the username. So as you know, in bash for taking input we use read. Okay, read command. So echo enter your password. So we will not give any space here. Okay, so let's do something. We will pipe this with lolcat. Okay, so it will look beautiful. Lolcat. So now yes, now while reading the password we will give -s, because we don't want our password to be shown in the terminal. So okay, so now we will do if username is equal to Nico. Okay, and password is equal to Jack. Then simply you have to to printf welcome magic, and then we will pipe this with ASCII. So yes, if ASCII is not installed in your system, so simply open your terminal and type apt install ASCII. Okay, so ASCII is a text to speak module. So after this we are going to break this loop. Okay, so now yes, now elif if username is not equal to Nico, then you simply type echo wrong username, else if password is not equal to JSCK check, then simply do then echo from password, else echo something went wrong. Okay, so fi and done. So now we are going to save our file, and I'm going to give the permission to this file chmod plus execute terminal.sh, and then I'm going to run this file. So yeah, okay, so something is wrong with the escape sequence, so we'll write my username is Nico and the password is check.
Welcome native.
So now you can see my terminal is saying welcome native. Okay, so what if we input the wrong username and the wrong password? So it will say wrong username, enter your name again. So yes, now as you know, we are making some good stuff. Okay, so as I am a old Linux user, so if I press here Ctrl C, you can see my terminal is back. Okay, so now we don't want anybody to press the signal interrupt and bypass the login system. Okay, so we will go back into our pi terminal, and there is a command. Okay, so there is a trap command, so I'm not going to explain what is trap, simply you just copy this. Okay, echo hey, you can't bypass this login, and then we are going to write sig int. Okay, it is called signal interrupt. So now no one can press Ctrl C and bypass the login system. Okay, now if I save this file and now I'm running this. Okay, so now if I'm pressing Ctrl C, okay, wait, something is wrong here. Okay, so I think I have to give a space here. So now if I save this, okay, so everything is fine. Now you can see, now I'm writing Nico and I'm writing anything, so it is saying wrong password. So now if I'm pressing Ctrl C, it is saying hey, you can't bypass this login. Okay, so wrong username, so enter username. Okay, so I'm writing the username.
Welcome native.
So now you can see we have made the login system. Okay, so now we have to integrate this into our bash rc file where we have kept the ASCII Art. Okay, so first let me solve this sheet. So something is wrong with this lesson, so just let me remove this, and now if I run, okay, I don't know what the fuck is happening with these escape sequences. So
When terminated.
So just let me remove this. I don't know what the heck is happening here. Sometimes I don't know, but your code just go into bug and it starts. Oh god, what the fuck, man. So I'll write here
when terminated.
So this will have to work, man. I don't know why this is not working. Oh god, please work. Sit, man. Sit. Enter username.
When terminated.
Okay, so just remove this sheet from here, okay? I don't know what the heck is going on. So as I have said, I'm not familiar with shell scripting, okay? So yesterday I was just surfing and then I saw someone said me in my Instagram, hey, can you add login system into your terminal? So I said, okay, I can, why not? So then first I found the ASCII file so first I studied about the ASCII file, then I integrated the login system. So now, okay, so now we are going to just remove this, and yeah, now we will gedit and just open our terminal.sh file. Okay, so now we are just going to minimize this, and yeah, I'm going to open a new tab here, and yes, I'm going to open gedit dot -rc. okay, so yeah, so just I'll do Ctrl+Alt+C, and yeah, I'll come to my terminal and sh. So after the break, so here we will paste this, okay, Ctrl+S, and then we are going to do Ctrl+Alt, Ctrl+C, and we are coming back to +rc, Ctrl+delete, Ctrl+P, Ctrl+S, okay. So now I'm going to show you my terminal. So I'll close this window and just I'll press Ctrl+Alt+T. So now you can see enter your username. So my username was Nico. Enter your password, which is Jack.
When terminated.
So now you can see we have added the login system into our terminal. So if you are trying this and you are getting any error, so simply contact me into my Instagram. So my Instagram ID will be available below link. So yes, so I will take a leave now. Have a nice day.